How to enter the referral code on your TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this. So the very first step is to go on the Google Play Store and make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. After installing the updated version of TikTok, go on your TikTok. On the top search bar down by you will see the option of your profile. When you tap on the profile option right there, so since I'm not involved in any program TikTok right here, so I will not see the options right here, but if you are, then you will see the option of coin like icon on the left side just above your name. And when you tap on that coin like icon, you will be just seeing a new interface, and there you need to tap your redeem code, and you are done just like that. After tapping the code, your problem is solved and you can simply do it by going on the coin icon only if you have it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. So the very first step is to go on the Google Play Store and make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. After installing the updated version of TikTok, go on your TikTok. On the top search bar down by you will see the option of your profile. When you tap on the profile option right there, so since I'm not involved in any program TikTok right here, so I will not see the options right here, but if you are, then you will see the option of coin like icon on the left side just above your name. And when you tap on that coin like icon, you will be just seeing a new interface, and there you need to tap your redeem code, and you are done just like that. After tapping the code, your problem is solved and you can simply do it by going on the coin icon only if you have it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.